In this video, I will guide you on how to create a poll in TikTok comments. First, launch open the TikTok application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, go ahead and select the post where you want to create a poll. Then tap on this comment icon. Here you will find different options. Select this one, which is the poll icon. Now go ahead and type in your question. Then go ahead and type in the options. Now you can also tap in the ends in option. You can select 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, or indefinitely. Select your preference. Then you want to tap on this arrow icon. Now as you can see, the poll has been successfully created. Now as people vote, you're going to get notified. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.